Speak English correctly. It means. Do not say, it's mean. Say instead, it means. For example, what does ambitious mean? It means motivated to become successful and achieve goals. Do not say, what means? Say instead, what does that mean? Or, what does this word mean? Use it means with synonyms. For example, terrible, awful, horrible. Or with definitions. For example, to explain in more detail. A person who. Definitions often involve different wording. For example, with verbs, we often use to at the beginning. It, strive, means to work hard. With adjectives, definitions describe characteristics. It, false, means untrue or not correct. With nouns, we often use relative clauses. For example, a person who, someone who, or something that. For example, a botanist is a person who studies plants. This word means a person who studies plants. With nouns, we can also break the definition into two parts, a general category and specific traits. For example, a general category might be animals. Specific traits might be live on land, live in water, live on land or in water. For example, amphibians are animals. Animals is the general category that live parts of their lives in water and parts of their lives on land. Another example, an architect is someone who draws plans for buildings. An architect is a person who draws plans for building. When we use a singular example, we often say a or an to show that it's a representative of a larger category. If we use the plural here, we would say architects are people who draw plans for buildings. Now you try it. What does mean? It means, what is a? It is a person who. Try it on your own. What does mean? It means. What is a or an? It is a, that, or who. Fill in the blanks with your own words and meanings or definitions. Practice this with your classmates or friends. That's all for today on Say It Right in English. Thanks for watching. For more videos like these, check out the links below. youtube.com/@EnglishFreeForYou or ESLgold.com/HUMIX.